Earthquakes happen several times per day somewhere in the world. Question is, who cares? Should we be concerned? As a matter of fact, we all should, especially you. California is known as earthquake country for the reason that it resides along the San Andreas Fault, where a huge earthquake has been long overdue.
The San Andreas Fault is a strike-slip fault system made of hundreds of smaller fault sections. Unlike other kinds of faults, it's unlikely to generate tsunamis, but it's still very dangerous, with models predicting that it's capable of producing earthquakes of up to magnitude 8.1.
An earthquake is a violent shaking to the ground, sometimes causing great destruction.
According to the United States Geological Survey.gov, an earthquake happens when two blocks of Earth suddenly slide past one another. The Earth has four layers: inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. The crust and top part of the mantle make up the thin skin of our planet. This skin, however, is not just one piece. It is made up of many pieces like a puzzle covering the surface of the Earth. These puzzle pieces are called tectonic plates, and they slowly move around the Earth while sliding and bumping against each other. These tectonic plates have rough edges called plate boundaries. Plate boundaries are made up of several faults. According to the United States Geological Survey, since the edges of the plates are rough, they get stuck while the rest of the plate keeps moving. When the plate has moved far enough, the edges unstick on one of the faults, which is what causes an earthquake.
Earthquakes happen due to minor faults accumulating over time. From this energy being built up, it needs to be released. Since the big one hasn't occurred yet, there is more of a chance of the earthquake becoming bigger. New evidence has been recently discovered that time intervals between earthquakes to see if what we are experiencing is normal. It turns out that intervals have been as short as 22 years to as long as 186 years. There is no way to accurately predict when an earthquake will occur in the world. The Northridge 1994 earthquake was a 6.7 magnitude and was the costliest in U.S. history, with damages over $20 billion and 57 deaths. What can be done and what can you do?
Before an earthquake, look around your house or office and identify sturdy objects you can use for cover. Store important supplies such as water and medication. Practice how to drop under a desk, hold on to the desk legs, and use the top of the desk for cover. During an earthquake, if you are in a building, drop to your knees and stay where you are so the earthquake doesn't drop you. Cover your head and neck with your arms and protect yourself from falling objects. If you are in danger of falling objects and you can move safely, crawl under a sturdy desk or table for additional cover. If you are in a moving vehicle, stop as quickly and safely as possible and stay in the vehicle. If you are outdoors when the shaking starts, move away from the buildings and streetlights. After an earthquake, use a cell phone if you have one on you to call or text for help. Be prepared to drop, cover, and hold on in case of the aftershocks. Or if you are trapped, tap on a pipe, wall, or whistle so that rescuers can locate you. For more information on how you can stay safe in these situations, log on to www.ready.gov.